I hopped into my wife's 2017 Durango the other day to run to the store. At the first red light, I felt it. That rhythmic stumble at idle. No check engine light yet, but every tech knows what that means. One cylinder is dropping out. On these 3.6 liters, when you feel that shake, you're not looking at a typical misfire. You're looking at a system that's aged together. Now here's the catch with the Pentastar layout. To get to the passenger side coil bank, you've got to pull the upper intake plenum. It's not the worst job in the world, but it's not one you want to repeat. If you're already tearing down that manifold to do plugs or chase a single misfire, you're staring at 6 coils that have lived the same life. Same heat cycles, same vibrations, same mileage. If one has failed internally, the others are right behind it. That's a shared duty cycle. Every coil on that engine rolled off the same production line, installed the same day, fired millions of times together. The copper windings, the epoxy insulation, and the boots have all aged at the same rate. When one finally breaks down thermally, it's the first sign that the rest are sitting at the same end of life point. Replace one, and you're pretty much starting a countdown to when the next one drops out. Before long, you're pulling that manifold again and rerunning the same job. That's not efficient time management. Do the full set on the first go-around. Now let's talk about why coils fail in the first place. Over time, as spark plugs wear, the gap grows, especially after 80 or 100,000 miles. To jump that larger gap, the ignition coil must push higher voltage through its windings. That extra demand increases internal heat and insulation starts to break down. So when you install new plugs, but leave the old coils, you're asking for tired components to deliver new spec output. You're pairing fresh ignition demand with worn electrical capacity. That imbalance is what causes weak spark under load, cold start hiccups, and those intermittent misfire counters you see in mode 6 long before the mill ever triggers. The PCM's Misfire Monitor is already tracking individual cylinder performance. It's counting every incomplete burn. That weak coil might not set a DTC yet, but it's washing down cylinder walls and pushing unburned fuel downstream. Over time, that fuel contamination can shorten catalyst life. A major repair no one wants to explain to a customer whose only complaint was a slight shake at idle. From a diagnostic standpoint, we can confirm coil degradation a few different ways, comparing primary ramp patterns, checking secondary kilovolt demand under load, or even using an oscilloscope to spot weak spark events. But here's the real-world logic. Once one coil fails, the rest are statistically not far behind. Preventative full-set replacement is not overselling. It's professional maintenance planning. You're restoring even spark intensity across all 6 cylinders, which gives consistent combustion, cleaner idle trims, and fewer comeback concerns. Now, if you're doing the job once, use components that'll last the next 100,000 miles. Don't gamble on bargain bin ignition parts. For this Durango, I'm using B-Pro Auto ignition coils. They're engineered to Mopar specifications. Same resistance values, insulation materials, and voltage output that the PCM expects to see. That means reliable spark energy, no false misfire counts, and no drivability complaints after the repair. When it comes to electronics, especially on Chrysler systems, calibration matters. Dwell times are PCM controlled, and a coil that's out of spec can cause signal discrepancies or premature failure. B-Pro Auto coils are tested to those OE tolerances, so when the plenum goes back on, you can close the hood knowing you won't see that Durango again for the same issue. That's what professional grade reliability looks like. Doing it once and doing it right. So next time you feel that subtle misfire on a 3.6, don't play coil roulette. Look at the bigger picture. 6 coils, all the same age, all working past design life. Combine fresh OE quality plug replacements with a full set of quality coils from B-Pro Auto, and you reset the ignition system back to factory performance. Fix it once, fix it right, with parts that meet standards your customers expect. I'm Noah, and that's all for today's Tech Tip.